By now, I'm sure you've become quite the watch collector, but there's still a few things to learn here. Today we're going to take a look at the Elijah, more specifically, its unique watch face. Now let's take a closer look. You've probably wondered to yourself, what do all of these dials on the front of my watch mean? Well, some of them tell you things like seconds to the minute, minutes to the hour, and day of the week. Some of them you can even control by pushing buttons on the side of your watch. By fully extending the center dial, you can control the hour and minute hand as well as the day of the week. If you push that dial in just a little bit, you'll notice the numbers on the bottom right begin to move, changing the day of the month. The button on the top right side of the watch actually controls the stopwatch. If you push it in, it'll start, and if you push it in again, it'll stop. And by pressing the button on the bottom right side, you can reset the stopwatch. And there you have it. Enjoy your watch.